If you're looking for a way to get your hands on some fresh herbs in the winter, then this article is for you. I have found that using a few containers of herbs makes it possible for me to grow a lot of herbs and vegetables all year long. I love growing herbs in containers because they can be moved from place to place easily. This means that I can take them out to my patio or porch in the summer and bring them inside when the weather turns cold. Here are some of the things I do to make my herb garden thrive. 1. I plant my herbs in large pots. My favorite size is a 5-gallon pot. The reason I like these pots is because they are easy to move around. They are also easy to plant into. I put a layer of gravel in the bottom of the pot to help keep the roots cool. I also put a layer of peat moss at the bottom. The peat moss helps to retain moisture. 2. I use a good quality potting soil mix. I use a mixture of half compost and half topsoil. I also add a little bit of vermiculite. Vermiculite is an excellent natural fertilizer. It is made from minerals found deep underground. The minerals are ground up and used as a fertilizer. 3. I use a small amount of a slow-release fertilizer. I use a liquid fertilizer that has a high nitrogen content. I use about 1 teaspoon per pot. This will feed the plants until they begin to flower. 4. I water the herbs daily. I do not let the soil dry out. 5. I use a good quality fertilizer once a month. I use a liquid fertilizer with a high phosphorus content. This is a slow-release fertilizer. I apply this fertilizer about 2 weeks before I want to harvest the herbs. 6. I use a good quality insecticide once a month. I use this insecticide every 3 weeks. 7. I harvest the herbs about 2 weeks after they begin to flower. I pull the herbs off the plant and wash them thoroughly. I dry the herbs and store them in a dark, dry place. You can use a similar method to grow vegetables in containers. You just need to find a good quality potting soil and fertilize the plants regularly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.